Okay, time for the real video this week. So yeah, the unboxing doesn't count as my Monday video. So I did get something done. I did get my Primaris Ancient done here with the banner. Just a quick spin here. So it looks really good. I use Xandri dust for the banner instead of more green in my hill blasters that I did. And I really like how it came out. I love the colors, the way they work together here. So, and you can see the you may not be able to see, but the writing under the Caliban was in with a micron pen. Micron pens are awesome. I would definitely get one if you don't have one. I say micron pen, where is it? There it is. There we go. Micron, Pigma Micron 005, so it's 0.5 millimeter. And with that, I was easily able to write the word on that scroll. You can see the double lines on some of the letters. So yeah, micron pens, definitely worth picking up. So that's the Dark Angel that I got done. I just wanted this guy painted because I thought he looked kind of cool. I still have the Apothecary to do, and of course 5 more Hellblasters. And the Dark Talon. The Dark Talon at least got paint on it, so it's not just primer anymore. It's got actual black paint on it. So, but after I finished that up, I started working on the truck. Here we go. Here's where we're at with this thing. So, this is just like a couple hours worth of work to get to this point, because I got most of the detail done. So all the bits here, the driver and gunner, are ready for their wash. And I'm ready to start working on the gotta do the tires and do the fuel tank, the rest work on the exhaust, and then start working on the front flame job. So yeah, that is the truck. Yeah, I forgot to cover up the lights before I primed it. Oops, so I need to scrape the primer off of that. Which I will do after I get done painting everything, because it's got, yeah, I still got some more paint work to do, so I don't want to uncover them and then end up getting more paint on them. So what I really want to talk about in this video is the upcoming Armies on Parade. And so I'm going to probably be, I've decided I'm going to use my Evil Sun, since I've got a full 2000 point, well, technically 2041 point once this painted, Evil Sun's Army. And they just look all great together, and hope to get this done. So this week I'm going to do a Dread Mob for sure, and then next week, the last week of the month, I will be playing Evil Suns. Yeah. And so I'm going to use my Evil Suns for the Army on Parade, especially since everything's already done and they're all matching, and they're going to look awesome together. I can't wait to get everything out. So the question is the display board. Now what I was thinking about doing is building a display board where you have all the vehicles running across the board using and having smoke clouds or dust clouds spew out behind the vehicles like they're actually in motion. So I got my battle wagon and the 4 trucks, and then we got the flyers. The problem with that is that all the infantry models won't be able to be on the board. There won't be any place for them to be, displayed. So all you'll have is the 3 trucks, the battle wagon, and the planes, and that's all that'll be on the board. Everything else is, oh, and the bikes. That's true. I'll have the 2 bikes also. But that's not very much. So I think it would look cool. It's very limited in its display potential. The other option, of course, is to have like a static scene where the guys are mounting up to their vehicles and getting ready to take off. In which case I could have the whole army out, ready to go. So I guess that's what my question is, which would be better, is to do the motion display board with the cotton ball dust plumes from just a handful of models, or should I just get everything out, because I guess I put the 30 boys on foot running behind the vehicles. I guess that wouldn't be too bad. But still just a fraction of the actual models I have. So do you think it would be better to have the handful of models with the dust clouds, or of a more rollout scene where we have boys starting to climb into their vehicles and start to take off? So let me know which one you think I should work on, because I like the idea of having more models on the board than the action scene. I think I'm leaning towards that. Of course, the other one would be much easier because it's just a board with some cotton balls that is painted up. So the first option, the action scene, would definitely be easier. But I think the static or the rollout scene would be better because it would have more models actually on the board, and give more variety in the terrain. Well, real quick video this week. So truck hopefully will be done by next week. Shouldn't be any problem getting this done by next week because this is only a couple hours worth of work, and you can see how far I've gotten with it so far. So I have to do the tires. I have to do, I have to do the engine. You can get the engine painted, and then flame job, and then do all the detail work. So still not that bad. That's one thing I like about these Evil Sun models is that they are very quick to paint because of the, I don't know why, because of the nature of the paint scheme. They're very quick to paint. So I will get this done by next week. And so the Wednesday after that, I will play the full Evil Sun's army in a battle report. I will probably lose horribly because it's not a very good army, but that's not the point. The point is to look good, right? Sometimes looking good on the table is far more important than being good. Thanks for watching.